Hi everyone! In this video, I'll explain why the Submit Invoice button may not be available on a work order and what you need to do before you can invoice. If you see a red notification indicating that location official verification is required, it means the customer has configured a work order to require confirmation that the work order has been completed before an invoice can be submitted. This requirement does not apply to every work order. Only work orders configured for location verification will display this message. If you encounter this notification, you'll need to reach out to your customer or the location representative and request that they verify or confirm the work order has been completed. Once the work order has been verified, the submitted invoice option will become available, and you can proceed with submitting your invoice as usual. This process helps ensure the work is confirmed as complete before invoicing, providing an additional level of verification for selected work orders.